Hi guys, we're Courts and Meeks and we're at the Camp Creator 2021.
And we are here with Daz from the Urban Motorhome, and he's going to give us a little intro about himself and then show us around his van in 3 minutes.
Hi guys, I'm Darren, the Urban Motorhome. I've been living in this motorhome now for 4.5 years. Yeah, as the name suggests, urban motorhome, urban parking. I've got a full-time job as a lorry driver through the night, and then I park up during the day in urban park-ups. People's streets, sides of houses, the odd lay-by maybe, but not much wild stuff, only when I get free time to actually go out. But the motorhome itself is a Swift Sundance 4-berth. There is a pull-out bed, but that we don't use anymore. Start with down here, I've got obviously I've got L-shaped lounge, which I use here as a single bed. I'll take all these off in the summer, like it's roasting hot now, as you can probably see from the tan. So yeah, I'll use that down. I use the downstairs bed because I've got an upstairs. Yeah, so use that, and then I've done a few customizations, obviously, because you're living in it full time. I needed a desk, somewhere to sit, because I used to sit down here like on the sofa with a little table, you know, like an IKEA table, to try and eat my dinner and that, and then you have to put it away, and it's just a ball ache. So you need a fixed table. I can do my editing here when I actually get round to do that. Not many videos come out often because I work it too much. Yeah, so I do my editing there, watch TV there. I have got a TV here, but I never use that. I just use a tablet, always use a tablet. And one of the main things I love about this motorhome, not only is it, I've got the whole lounge area downstairs, and my bed, full size double bed, is upstairs, is the kitchen. So I have a full oven, which means I can make loads and loads of chicken wings and bacon. My fridge is an old school fridge, so it's probably not eco-friendly like the new ones. So it's got the old coolant in, and it is ice. Ice cold. I can put a whole chicken in there in the freezer and it freezes rock solid. Not like many people. Then we've got I do love my tech and my gadgets. It's my home. It is my home, so I make it as homely as I can. I haven't got real many knickknacks, but power. I've got a lot of power. Now I've got lithium, 200 amp hours of lithium. I think 3 160 watt rigid panels on the roof. I did have 5 flexis, but they all broke.
Oh dear.
So yeah, don't go flexi, don't go flexi. I've got a big MPPT charge controller, so I now don't worry about any power, no power issues. So I've got an ice maker, which is great on these days when you're really feeling it, and it's just pumping out ice cubes all day long, which is great. I've got a full shower. Well, I say a full shower. What's a half shower? What's a half shower? I've got a shower and toilet in here, and like I say, the full-size double bed up the top. What else? I've got full CCTV all around on all 4 corners. So
20 seconds.
So I can see everything around from the inside without showing my presence on the inside. And yeah, I love van life.
Yeah. Fantastic. Good timing.
One take wonder.
Yes.
Yes.
Love it.
Very good. Well, thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.